Hey friends, it's Len here at 1A Auto. Today we're working on a 2013 Subaru Outback, and I want to show you how to check and fill your brake fluid. It's going to be a very simple job, so if you need any parts, you can always check us out down at 1aauto.com. Thanks. So first what we're going to do is we're going to check to see what the cap says for the type of brake fluid we're going to use. This particular model says .3, so you need to make sure you use .3 brake fluid. You don't want to use .5, which is silicone based. You need to use .3. If you don't have access to it, don't even open it yet. Since I do have access to .3, what I'm going to do, I'm going to clean off around my cap, clean all this off the best I can. I'm going to open it up. I'll take a peek at my gasket in here, make sure that it's not, full of debris or cracked or swollen. Looks pretty good. Next, I'm going to take my sealed container of .3 brake fluid. I'm just going to pour it right in there, being careful not to spill it all over the place like I just did. I'm going to wait and see if it comes down to the maximum line. There's a little line right over here. We want it to come right up to the maximum line, so if it's not there yet, we're going to add some. We want to be careful not to go above that though. See if I can do it this time without spilling. If you get any of this on your paint on your vehicle, you're going to want to clean it off as quick as you can. There we go. Looks like it's getting right to the line. Very nice. Now we can go ahead and take our cap. We're going to close it up. Make sure it locks in. We'll close up our container of .3 brake fluid. And that's that.
Thanks for watching. Visit 1aauto.com, your place for DIY auto repairs, for great parts, great service, and more content.